Hello violinists, welcome to Pro Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are learning Polka Dots from the Waggon Wheels book. Polka Dots is written in the key of G major, so I'd like you to join in with me practicing the G major scale and then also the G major arpeggio. And we're going to be playing long bows and we're playing every note twice. Now let's get ready. Let's get your violin into a proper position on your shoulders, so it's not in front of your face, but you slide it over your collarbone, slightly to the left hand side. I would like you to check that your finger line is level with the E string, your elbow is straight underneath your violin, and your thumb is just peeking over the edge. G major scale, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now we're going to play the G arpeggio. We're going to play every note once with a long bow, but then at the end we'll repeat the whole arpeggio. So we'll play the whole arpeggio twice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done. So you're nicely warmed up now to play Polka Dots, and I'll play it for you first. So you will have noticed that we're playing all the way through to the end first, and at the end it has the letters DC al fine, which means da capo al fine, and da capo in Italian means back to the head, the top of the piece. So then, after we've played the whole piece once, we're going back to the beginning and then play the top 2 lines again, and we'll stop where you see the word fine, so at the end of line 2. Now you will have noticed that we're playing mostly crotchets and quavers in this piece, and I suggest you play all the quavers with half bows and all the crotchets with long bows. So we're going to be playing at the lower half of the bow at the start of this piece. And that long bow here brings us to the point. So now we're going to play on from the point. So this way you get a good structure in your bowing and your piece will sound better for it. We're going to go slightly more slowly now, and I'm hoping you might be able to join me. Are you ready? We're just finding our 3 fingers on the D string. 1 and 2 and playing. I want to just for a moment have a look at the last 2 notes. So find the bar where it says fine, so at the end of line 2. So we're playing the 3rd finger on the A string, followed by the 3rd finger on the D string. And we're just going to practice that, like this. Will you join in with me? We're doing it 3 more times. Ready? And that was lovely, well done. Now, for an end of your lesson, we're going to play the whole song once again, and we're going to take it a little bit faster. Mind, if this is too fast for you, just practice it a few more times without this video and then join in for the end, so that you allow yourself some time to grow into this piece and to learn to play it slightly faster. But if you're already ready to play it faster, why not join in with me? And we're going to also add some louds and softs. Now, underneath the first note you can see the letter F, which stands for forte, and forte means play loud. And we're staying loud all the way through to line 3, and in line 3 you can see mezzo forte, which means medium loud, and I want you to create as great a contrast with that loud playing as you possibly can. So you go very, very quietly at line 3, and then towards the end it has a crescendo. The last 2 bars you can see that hairpin type thing, and that means gradually increase the volume so that by the time you get back to line 1 your playing is loud again. 1 and 2 and. great practice today. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so now. I'm recording many pieces of the Waggon Wheels book, so I can update you whenever a new video is released when you hit the bell button. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye.